Hey, buddy. You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups. Poor little guy's got the hiccups. What are you doing with your arms, huh? You say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? You say hi to all your friends? All your friends who haven't met you yet? Say hello, all my friends. I got the hiccups. Say hiccup. Say, how do you make a baby's hiccups go away? Say, nobody knows. How do you make the baby's hiccups go away?
Hold him upside down and make him drink a glass of water.
I don't think he would like that. Okay. Let's see. What do you think, huh? How do you make a little baby's hiccups go away? Do you look at his little toes? I think you just wait.